I have sort of regular size hands. This thing is actually tiny, so they reduce the overall footprint and the sort of feel of it. It feels really good in your hand with kind of those round edges. Now, of course, looking at the back here, we have sort of the signature fingerprint authenticator. This is used to both sign transactions as well as unlock the device. And of course, we have the camera here, since this is an air gap device, to actually scan QR codes and process transactions and things of that nature as well. This is a faster and a different module than the previous version. It's much more accurate, and you're just gonna have a better overall user experience.